Hi everyone. If you're new here, I'm Remind and I make simple and minimalistic apps. I usually use this website. I usually use YouTube to document my journeys on making apps, but I've been really getting into cinematic vlogs and kind of want to transform this channel into some kind of logging system for myself, documenting my journey. Tonight I was going to work on this app called Quick Pack. It's one of my apps that I have out on App on Play Store. Just got a feedback on it recently. User was having some kind of issue and I really want to update that for them, but I haven't touched this app in like 4 or 5 months, I would say. And for my tech people, basically I'm using Expo to build this app, and I think it's version outdated. So I know Android needs like 16 kilobyte page support and some revenue support updates on packages. So it's always worrisome to have to update packages because some things might break, things might not work the way you want. So I gotta do what I gotta do. And for all my non-tech people, just basically gonna update a lot of settings so the app works fine without breaking anything, but also be able to add in new features and update all the bugs. But this is a good time to basically update all the things, and I want to bring you guys along as I make updates tonight. Hey everyone, Future Remind here. Did a lot of coding, really got into the thick of it. It was a lot of fun to get back into the code base for this. I'm always surprised after coming back to my apps for a couple months, like, hey, the app's kind of good, it's kind of nice, and it kind of stacks up against the other apps out there. This app isn't that big compared to some of my other apps, but has about 2,000-3,000 downloads. I think it's like active on like 700-800 devices, sorry. Which is crazy to me that 800 people has that on their device, and I think like 30 to 40 people use it every day, which is like, come on now, are you serious? That's just, but got some updates done, but I'm really rolling in it now, and I want to make a few more updates, so I'm going to come back tomorrow and finish it up, and hopefully I can schedule a release as soon as possible. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow night. Hey again, welcome back to day 2. So let's finish up the app today. Well, before that, a few things happened today. Got this nifty boy. Gonna open it up, show you guys what this is. Got this after watching videos from this creator called Gillette. I love his videos, awesome stuff. So I wanted to try out this clamp that I got for the Osmo 3. Let's take a look. So here it is. This is the mount that I got. It's like a little clamp. You can clamp it on stuff around the house, on top, on unfinished shelves, and you can get really cool shots. To get shots like this, or shots like these, where I can mount it to my chair. Swirl around. Woo! Basically, this thing looks pretty versatile. I'm excited to try this out and do some cool shots. So yeah. But now the plan is to get some work done. I have to do work for one of my other companies that I work for, so I'm gonna get that done first, and then I'm gonna get back on QuickPack, the app I'm working on, and finish up the features tonight, and hopefully set up a release tonight or tomorrow. But I don't want to work on it anymore tomorrow, just want to get it done tonight. That should be my deadline, and that's what I'm trying to stick to. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hello again, finally back with one more update for this vlog with my app. Finally done with all my QuickPack updates that I needed to do. Updated the bug that my user pointed out. Besides that, I've made a few quality of life changes. Found one critical bug on iOS that I've fixed, thankfully. Now, I started working on a new feature because I just randomly started working on a feature and add in something huge, but I decided to postpone that. I might release another version in the coming days with that feature. This would be basically like a template or trip template kind of feature. Basically, when you're creating a trip, we give you curated, pre-created templates that you can use. Now, I didn't want to just end it there. I wanted to be able to let users be able to create custom templates and stuff, which feels like a no-brainer, and be able to update the curated templates as well. The feature was getting bigger than I wanted it to be, and it was definitely going to take longer, but I didn't want to wait. I just wanted to get this release out, so I'm going to postpone it for the next one. Besides that, I also added in a few extra features for myself, basically a bit more analytics, also analytics for feedback. So whenever someone sends a feedback, I get it on Discord directly. It's just through a webhook, and that's always been very helpful for me, so love that. So currently you guys are seeing a post talk. This is like a typical event type that might come through when someone sends a feedback, which says testing feedback here. That's a test event basically. So if I press test function, I should get my notification from Discord that someone sent us feedback for me, and I'll get on my phone, and that's always very helpful. So yeah, that's the feedback form post out basically. So yeah, we'll see you guys later, and thank you for watching. Hope you guys join for the next one.